Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Maisha, owner of Style House Events, where bold style meets plain perfection. Today we are getting ready to do another DIY centerpiece design. We're actually going to be doing a inside out lantern centerpiece. I know you've probably seen a lot of different lantern centerpiece designs, so I wanted to do something a little bit unique. I saw this from Leanne on YouTube. I saw this from Leanne, who is actually another floral designer from the Floral Design Institute. You guys should check out some of her videos. She has a lot of great ideas for building flower arrangement using fresh flowers. But we are going to use some silk flowers to build today's design, so I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy. Alright guys, we're going to get right into it. So as I mentioned, we're going to be doing an inside out lantern centerpiece today. And the first step is going to be to take our floral foam to give the illusion that our flower arrangement is inside out of our lantern. We're going to hot glue some foam on the outside or the inside and outside glass. And you just want to make sure that it's on the opposite side of the door handle. So I'm going to take my little knife and just cut this in half. Try to get it as even as possible if you can. And then I'm just going to hot glue to the inside glass and the outside glass. I'm going to be as generous as possible with the hot glue. Of course, I barely got any glue in here. I have a different arrangement of lavender and burgundy kind of silk flowers. All these items I did get at the dollar store. The links will be in the description box. This lantern was $10. And this centerpiece is good for like a bridal shower, a wedding, a baby shower. If you're going for like maybe a rustic theme, you don't want something super girly, but you still want to incorporate flowers. Or just because, you know, we are in spring, you want a nice centerpiece for your living room or dining room table. Alright, I got a lot of hot glue there. Ooh. Okay, so make sure that you are careful. That you're very careful if you do have a lantern with real glass, because you don't want to pop the glass outside of your lantern or break the glass. So just be never have enough glue sticks. Alright, I'm doing the same thing on this side. I'm just going to press down and make sure I'm holding the glass so I'm not popping my glass out. Alright, so you can see how I got my foam positioned. Now I do have a bunch of different purple, burgundy, and off-white hydrangeas. So I'm basically just going to start with my greens and my kind of spray flowers, and then I'm going to fill in with my bigger flower heads like my purple roses. I am using all silk flowers, so this can be a lot easier, but if you did want to use real flowers, you can. Just make sure that you wet your floral foam or your oasis foam really good before you start to put your different flowers in there. Alrighty, so here we go. I'm going to start I kind of think I want to start with like these burgundy flowers just because they have these green leaves on them, and then that can kind of help cover up some of this foam, and that's your goal. You just want to make sure that you cover up this foam really nicely, and then you can just build your flower arrangement any way you want. Whatever you do on the outside, you want to do the same thing on the inside. So I started with this burgundy flower and this green leafy stem, so I'm going to do the same thing on the inside. So you guys can see, I'm just going to keep building with my burgundy flowers, and then I'm going to work my lavender in, and then I'm going to work my little hydrangea stems in. And then whatever gaps that I have, I'll fill with these other flowers. When you're using your silk flowers, you want to make sure that you don't have your flower stems too long. That way they'll poke out your centerpiece and it'll just look too cheesy. You want to kind of keep everything nice and tight. I don't even think I'm going to need all these flowers, but the goal is to just make sure that you fill your foam up. Start putting my purple stems just because I'm kind of filling up the foam fast, and I just want to make sure I give, you know, the arrangement different texture using the different florals. So I want to make sure that I get a chance to use all of them before I fill up my foam too quickly. Kind of got to get in there. Get the flowers the way you want them. I will show you guys. This is kind of like where I'm at so far, but I do want to make sure that I get flowers on this side, so I'm going to kind of work my way up under and tuck this little corner. Really. You can fill in with as much green or not as much green as you like. Now I'm just playing around with the different stems, trying to make sure I create some different textures while still creating a nice spring look. I'm making it look. Alright, so I'm coming to completing this side. I'm going to fill in with some more. Put too many hydrangeas. I might end up going with another burgundy. Or I do have some of these off-white flowers I think will look really nice. So I'm going to incorporate some of those. And I'm just kind of freestyling here. I don't really have like a particular design that I'm, you know, trying to go for. I do and I don't, but I'm just working with the flowers that I have. I think it's coming out cute. Yeah, see how that off-white just makes that pop. Okay, I think I may go with another. I forgot I have these too. Like I said, and I'm just playing around with the different tones of burgundy and a little bit of blush. I love it so far. So here is the finished product. I love, love, love the way it came out. And you see how it does give you that illusion that the flowers are coming in and out or coming through the lantern. Love it. And I did add a nice little egg's nest just because we celebrated Easter, and I thought that would be a perfect little touch. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. Also, please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what other ideas you guys have for a DIY video. Also, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next DIY video. And again, thanks for watching.